Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. It's a hot summer day. The air is at 35 degrees Celsius with a relative humidity of 71%. We want to buy a drink to cool down. The store owner says it's below 5 degrees Celsius. We are skeptical because we don't see any condensation outside of the can. Is the claim true? Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. Step 2, list all the given variables. Find the unknowns. So, find the vapor pressure to find the temperature to validate the claim. Step 3, find the vapor pressure formula. P vapor is equal to phi multiplied by the saturated pressure. Phi is the relative humidity. Step 4, find the saturated pressure at 35 degrees. You can Google search this or go to the back of your textbook. We're using the water table. Alright. So why is it the water table and not air? So it's the condensation. So it's the moisture in the air. So that's why we're using water. Okay, so step 5, plug and play, multiply the relative humidity by the saturated pressure, so 0.71 by 4.2469 kPa. This is found in your table in the step 4, or Google search. You'll get 3.015299 kPa. Step 6, find the water pressure or the vapor pressure. So using this, we go to the table, we check it. It is in between 35 and 25 degrees Celsius. So yes, students already know you got to linear interpolate. Step 7, linear interpolate. Here is the general formula for the ratio method for linear interpolation. There are many ways to linear interpolate. I find this way the easiest. So the left-hand side is your pressure, the right-hand side is your temperature. That's what we're trying to find. So it's the maximum minus the minimum, and then divided by the max minus the given / found. And on the right-hand side, it's the max minus min, and then it is the unknown that we're trying to find, minus the minimum. So once you linear interpolate, you'll get 23.56 degrees Celsius. So 23.56 is bigger than minus 5. So the owner has made a false statement or has lied about the drink being at that temperature. Disclaimers: the method is correct. However, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now, before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac or Linux, use the appropriate software. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Click on video option, click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, and then save your video. Thanks for watching, hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in this video, leave it in the comment section. I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.